My name's Sam Aaron. I'm a senior consultant with VMware Professional Services. I've been a member of Hands-On Labs for the last 9 years as a lab captain. My lab is getting more out of Aria Automation. What you'll get out of my lab is basics of Aria Automation. You'll also learn a little bit about Aria Config, formerly known as SaltStack. You'll also learn a little bit about Aria Operations and Aria Operations for Logs, or formerly Log Insight. It's useful to a lot of system administrators, DevOps administrators, people who are actually trying to create automation for their environment and using our tool set to not only create that automation, but also be able to monitor and respond to the metrics that come in. A typical person that would take this lab would be either your infrastructure administrator or your DevOps administrators. Mainly the type of people that will maintain the infrastructure and the environment that you are using for your automation. In addition, users could actually benefit from this, but that would be more operational, and really it's designed for more administrative and automation purposes. It is hands-on, where you can actually attempt a new configuration or a new try, and if you break it, that's okay. You can just destroy the lab, restart. It's an open playground, but we will provide you a manual and some guidance on some things we want you to try, but it's an open playground.